Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for subscribing and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making probably one of my favorite dips out there. It's the TGI Fridays Spinach Artichoke dip. I know a lot of people are a fan of that, and it's just so easy to make at home, especially during the holidays when you have your guests gathering at your table and keep bothering you and asking you when the food is going to be done. You can hand this dip to them with some chips or crackers and they won't bother you because they'll be indulging in this gooey, warm, and cheesy dip. Stay tuned for the recipe. As always, subscribe to my channel for more recipes and tips and tricks. Like this video if you enjoy this recipe, and now let's get cooking. So let's start with the ingredients, guys. I have some mozzarella cheese here, but I only need half a cup, which I am going to grate. I have cream cheese. I have frozen spinach that I have thawed out and let it come to room temperature. And this is 1 pack. I have sour cream. I'm using the light sour cream, but you can use full fat. 1 can of artichoke hearts that I have drained, rinsed, and just chopped. Going to be using some mayonnaise, some Parmesan cheese, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and some garlic powder. So before you mix all of your ingredients, just make sure to turn on your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And in the meantime, I'm going to add in room temperature cream cheese, 1 whole pack, about half a cup of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayo, some Parmesan cheese, also roughly about half a cup. Everything is half a cup today, guys. Add in your black pepper, garlic powder, salt. Add in your artichoke hearts, your spinach, but I'm just going to kind of squeeze my spinach so the water kind of drains out. And this much is good. And then you just want to toss everything up. And if you want to cut the artichoke hearts even smaller, you can. But I like to get the chunks of the artichoke hearts and the spinach and just get all the textures. So this is all mixed up. So I have lined a baking tray with foil, and then on top of that I have put my baking dish that I have already greased. And to this you just want to add in your spinach artichoke dip mixture. And I lined the baking dish with the foil just so that if there's any cheese that melts down, it lands on the foil and you're gonna have easy cleanup. And then you just want to take some grated mozzarella cheese and just sprinkle it on top. And obviously I'm very generous with the cheese because that's a great love of mine. I love cheese. And then I'm also going to take a little Parmesan cheese and I'm just going to sprinkle that on top also, just like this. And then you want to put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until all of the cheese is melted. Okay guys, so I actually left this in the oven for 25 minutes. And then I just put the oven on broil just to like brown the cheese on top. Creamy, the cheese has melted. It's looking nice and gooey. Look at that, guys. That's exactly what you want. And I'm just gonna serve it with some crackers like that. These are just random crackers that I had, but if you prefer this with tortilla chips, of course you can serve it with whatever you like, even with a French baguette. Okay guys, so on to my favorite part, as you know, the taste testing. As you can see, look at that beauty, you guys. Nice little close-up. It looks so cheesy. nice and steamy. Just be careful not to burn your tongue. So creamy. So that's the end of this recipe, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try it in your kitchen. It's very simple, as you saw, and super delicious. So I'll be seeing you in the next recipe video. Subscribe before you leave, share and comment if you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Until then, guys, take care.